Friends, if you want to feature on our show and you have what it takes to beautifully plate a dish using sauces, chutneys, dips, then this challenge is for you. This week's theme is saucy art and we can't wait to see your entries. Chef Vicky, आप एक ट्रेलर दिखा दो ना?
Zarur, why not? Let's go for it. There are different styles of plating. So kabhi you're doing like uniform, symmetric, exact left and right. And sometimes you say, you know what, I'm just going to go crazy today.
Pretty beautiful.
So all you have to do is plate a dish beautifully using sauces, chutneys, dips.
बस फिर उसे कैप्चर करो in a video and upload it on Instagram Reels and use the hashtag Chef vs Fridge Plating Challenge. Don't forget to tag Café.
The best entries get a chance to feature on the next episode of Chef vs Fridge, and one amazing entry will win a microwave oven from Hire.
Let's have a look at the entries from last week.
From these amazing entries, we have chosen one winner. The winner is